Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are working on the snake enclosure part 4. So we have a small little unboxing, an item that I was waiting for to move forward, and that was the paint stripper. So I did go ahead and kind of open this, but there ain't much to it. It comes with the scraper and the kit. I have a brush that I'm going to use to apply it. Now, I will put a link of this in the description, but this stuff is pretty cool. I'm going to put it on here, and it's literally going to make that old paint boil up, and then I just need to scrape it off, get it all cleared off, maybe sand it down just a little bit, and then we are going to go ahead with getting it painted, and from there ain't a whole lot left to do on this, in my opinion, aside from actually get some plants to grow. However, aside from this grass, I ain't going to have a whole lot of plant growth without heaters on it. So I will either use the chi bulbs I have to see if it can maintain temp, and or I might still have to wait for one of those panel heaters. We will let you know. I will let you know which direction I went. And if I use those heaters or whatnot, I will try to get you a link or a website like always. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and clear off all the stuff off of this and get ready to apply this paint stripper. So I got me this little container here. It's metal. You're going to want to get a thing that you can throw away after you're done, because it's not going to be good anymore. But I'm just going to put a little bit in it at a time so that I don't waste it. And this stuff is pretty simple. In 15 minutes after you apply it, it should start peeling up all the paint, and you'll just scrape it off. And I'll show you what that looks like when it actually does it. But just apply a good, heavy, solid coat across the whole thing, and let this stuff do what it's gonna do. So I have applied a good coat across all surfaces, and as you can see, it's already starting to peel up, but the total process takes about 15 minutes, and be sure that you're doing this in a well ventilated room. But this has only been a couple minutes. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and come back down here, and we'll start peeling some of it off. It might also take a couple coats of it. It just depends on how much paint you have on the wood or whatever you're trying to remove. So yeah. So as you see, it's starting to peel up pretty good. I'm not going to wait really much longer. I'm just going to, start going at it. And I'll let you know if it takes like a bunch of coats to get it off, but I highly doubt it. Just wanted to show you, it just literally peels up. So if you order this kit that I got, then you'll get this with it. Otherwise, get you a scraper, buy you a couple paint brushes. I'll put some links to some in the description as well. At the end of this, I will show you it pretty much cleared off. And then the only thing we have left to do is decide on a color. I've asked in a lot of my other videos, haven't got a whole lot of input, though somebody did say green might look good on it. And I was thinking red, or even just repainting it black, but a solid color. So if you have an opinion on a color for this tank and you see this video, let me know in the comments. I'll try to hang back after I share it out for a little while, see if anybody gives me any colors. But then from there, all I really got left to do is paint it, get some heaters on it, and let my snake enjoy it, y'all. So, yeah. So I might end up putting one more coat of stripper on this, but it is pretty much ready to go. Get some prime. I gotta finish peeling off this sticker right here, but then put a prime coat on it and pick the colors. So if y'all have an idea of a good color for this, please let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching and stay casual.